Welcome back to cocktail hour. Now, whether you are having a fancy cocktail party or you're just kicking it on the couch, I want to show you this cocktail that is one of my family favorites called the Old Fashioned. Now, here we go. We're going to get right into it. With an Old Fashioned, you use honey. So this particular cocktail has very, very few ingredients. So what I found is that with a cocktail with very few ingredients, use your favorite, whatever's going in it, use your favorite of that, okay? So I'm using a clover honey, and we're gonna do about 3 fingers of whiskey. Stir that honey in so that it melts real good. Then, oh, that smells so good already, you guys. Whew. This is also a good cocktail when you're wanting to have the kids go to somebody else's house for a while and you're wanting to kick it with your sweetie. All right, in goes ice, if you want ice. About 5 to 6 drops of bitters. I'm using the Angostura, which I just picked up at Walmart. And then you're going to rim the glass, take a piece of your orange peel, rim the glass like that, and then a good twist. And the reason that you do that little twist is that, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but you can see the orange oil beginning to come out, and then that goes in your drink and flavors your drink, and you get that beautiful orange hit, just like that. Garnish as desired. And there you go, you guys. Ooh, cheers to you. Oh my goodness sake. The blending of that orange and the whiskey, that is a beautiful company right there in my glass. And cheers to you. And we'll see you next time. But before that, if you guys want to see any more of these videos about cocktails and stuff like that, let me know. Hit me up with a comment on that, and I'll be glad to bring you more of our favorites, okay? From our house to yours. And we will see you next time on Things Tina Does.